Hey guys, it's the Food Geek again, and today we're going to be making something that you get in most restaurants, which is bone marrow on toast. So I'm going to show you my style of making it, and let's get watching and eating. Okay guys, so these are the lovely bone marrows. As you can see, this is the marrow here, and you can get these from your local butcher or local supermarket that sells them. I got mine from Food Lovers Butchery, and they always have good meat there. So I'm just gonna lightly scrape off whatever fat is on the bone. Okay, so let's get them on. Can't wait to try this, it's gonna be good. So we've got 6. Okay, so you don't need much, you just need a bit of salt and some pepper. So I'm gonna just crack some on them. Salt brings out all the flavor, and a bit of pepper as well, which is optional. So I'm gonna put this in the oven now. I preheated it to 218 degrees, and I'm gonna put it in for 20 minutes and let that roast. Okay, so you have to eat this with some good bread, and I've got some chia butter bread that I've got from Food Lovers. You can get it at your local grocer as well, or butchery. I'm just gonna cut this in slices. Lovely thin slices. Okay, so now I'm just going to lightly spray some olive oil on it. Just some light strips.
I think you need a bit more.
And while that's roasting in the oven, I'm going to roast my bread. Okay, so the bread's toasted, and while it's hot, you just gotta rub a bit of garlic onto it. to flavor the bread. So you just gotta lightly rub that garlic, get that flavor there. Just enhances the taste of the bread with that olive oil. Okay guys, the bone marrow is ready, fresh out of the oven. Just look at that, how juicy it's looking, how soft. Look at all those oils there. Okay, so now we're gonna get a slice of bread. Look at all that gelatinous, juicy goodness. And you scoop it out, butter it onto your bread. This is why they call it the butter of the gods. Just look at that. Okay, so let's give it a try. The pure marrow taste. I think I gotta dig in for more. Get all that goodness in there. For all you marrow lovers out there, you definitely know what I'm talking about. You just can't get enough of this. All that juicy, fatty marrow in your mouth. Gotta go in for another one. Give it a nice spread. Oh, that's hot. A lovely juicy spread. Just take a look at that. Hot. Especially with that bread. It enhances the flavor so much. Absolutely juicy. Thanks guys for watching. It's a simple, easy recipe to make, and please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed already, hit that subscribe button for more. Cheers.